Myfundbox Customer Portal Demo Video. In this video, we're going to explore the advantages of the Myfundbox Customer Portal. Once your customer pays for a plan, they'll automatically get an email with a link to their customer portal. They just have to click on My Portal to get started. Let's get into a quick tour. Myfundbox Customer Portal offers self-service management, by which customers can manage their personal information, payment methods, and subscription details without needing to contact support. They will also be able to view their past invoices, payments, and transaction history, enhancing transparency and reducing billing disputes. Handling subscription control to your customers will help them upgrade their subscription plans as needed, providing flexibility and control. They can also cancel or renew their subscriptions easily, which improves customer satisfaction and retention. Here is what your customers can do with payment methods. They can add, update, or remove payment methods, ensuring their preferred payment method is always up to date. They will also receive alerts for upcoming payments or changes in subscription terms so that they don't miss any. They can easily access FAQs, guides, and troubleshooting resources, which will reduce the need for direct support interactions. Myfundbox Customer Portal provides a secure environment for your customers to manage their sensitive information. Thus, Myfundbox Customer Portal helps businesses like yours to enhance customer satisfaction, reduce operational costs, and improve the overall subscription experience.